Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to sell an ebook on Stan Store. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow everything along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, first you should open your Stan Store dashboard. If you're already logged into your account, you should see it here, and then you will click the products section, and then you will click add new product, then you will select digital product, then upload your ebook file. Then you will add a title, cover image, and short description about your book. You will then set your price and make sure that the file format is correct. And then you can also add your bonus content, your discount codes if you want. And once you're done, you will just have to click publish product, and your ebook is now live and ready for customers to purchase instantly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if it was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.